Hello and welcome to Grow Fresh Farm YouTube channel. I am Aditi and today we are going to discuss about the basics of hydroponics. So, let's get started. You may have heard the word hydroponics so many times. The media surely has popularized this method of growing plants. But what is its true meaning, and how did hydroponics evolve through history? Well, you're about to find out. Hydroponics is a Greek term, made from two words. Hydro means water and ponos means labor. And hence working water is its raw meaning. To put simply, hydroponics is the method of growing plants without soils. Plants are grown in a soilless medium and come into contact with the nutrients in the water for their growth. Hydroponic cultivation does not occur overnight. In fact, it has evolved from primitive types and has undergone lots of scientific researches by scientists. And what we have today is modern hydroponics, which have been in a wide application by greenhouse farmers as well as hydroponic hobbyists. In the recent 2 decades, there is a stirred interest of growers into hydroponics when it is applied to large-scale greenhouse farms around the world to provide foods for millions of people. Hydroponics operates on the premise that as long as you are able to provide with what they need, plants will grow well. Hydroponics replaces the soil with water and the growing media. The growing media can be coco peat, perlite, clay balls, rock wool, etc. Their main role is to transfer the nutrients in the water and keep the roots oxygenated. As shown in the diagram, nutrients are added to the water and are moved to the growing media and through the plant roots usually by a water pump. Hydroponics come up with several obvious benefits that the soils cannot compare to. It's not uncommon to see that hydroponically grown plants then enjoying a 20 to 30% better rate than those in the soil, grown in the similar conditions. This is because plant roots directly contact with the nutrients rather than searching for food in the soils. All of these energies will be instead consumed in its growth, and in producing fruits and flowers. This soilless growing method uses only 10% water in comparison to soil agriculture. It is able to do that because of its efficient recirculated system. Hydroponic plants get the sufficient water while the runoff ones are captured and get back to the system. It saves the lands by growing plants in convenient locations like large-scale indoor greenhouses, or even in your apartment. All of the weeds and soil-related pests and disease are eliminated in a hydroponic system. Therefore, it is safe to say that hydroponics is the future of farming. You can grow anything in hydroponics provided that you create a proper setup and supply plants with sufficient nutrient balance. But you should not take that mindset and grow anything you want. This is because some plants will grow absolutely well in hydroponics while others do not bring expected yields. At the same time, some plants need you for their special care and installation to survive. Let's go to the list of veggies that you can grow easily and the ones that are harder to grow. Since many of us are researching what plants to grow hydroponically or which will be the best way to grow them, then these are some top best plants which can be grown hydroponically. These types of plants are fun to grow, work great in hydroponics and are not a pain to start with. These are some of the examples of vegetables that you should avoid if you are a beginner in hydroponics. This does not mean that you cannot grow these plant kinds. They are just harder to grow and will require special care. Meanwhile, most of the time, the yields are not as good as in the soils. Building a soilless system is not just valuable for your family's kitchen, but it's fun as well. When it comes to building your own hydroponic system, there is not just one way to set it up as different systems will have different working principles. It's hard to cover thoroughly, so I'll make a separate video that describes the various types of hydroponic systems and their working. Not sure from where to start or from where to get accessories for your hydroponics farm? Don't worry, we got you covered. We at Grow Fresh Farm provide customized kits, accessories and dedicated support to start your own journey in hydroponics. Contact us to know more. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share it. For more exciting videos on hydroponics, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you and see you next time.